Hey everyone, I'm Sheena from Christian Creative, and today I'm so excited to be sharing with you a flip through of the new Inspire for Girls Bible. If you haven't seen my blog post yet, go ahead and check it out. There will be a link to it in the comments. That's giving you my full review. So I'm not going to tell you my opinions and thoughts on the Bible as I'm flipping through it. If you want to know that, head on over to my blog. But I just want to share with you what the inside of this Bible looks like. It does come in this little cardboard box, case, however you want to call it. So you can store it in that. It is a soft cover Bible. Let's just take a look at some of the pages inside of this Bible. It has the Old Testaments and the New Testaments, and it also has the alphabetical listings of the Bible books. It has kind of a welcome to the Inspire for Girls, Bible journaling tips, lots of pretty pages to color, a topical index of devotionals about abilities, angers, attitude, behavior, character, choices, clean heart, comfort, complaining, contentment, courage, discipline, discouragement, encouragement, eternity, faith, fear, feeling down, forgiveness, friendship, generosity, God's character, God's family, God's greatness, God's guidance, God's holiness, God's knowledge, God's light, God's love. And it just keeps on going. It has several pages of devotionals. A note to the reader. It's a pretty page to open the Old Testaments. And then in Genesis, it has this pretty page. Has some more pretty pages. And a devotional. Some more devotional. More devotional and a pretty page to color. Another devotional and a pretty page to color. More devotionals. And a place to kind of reflect on what you've been studying. Here's our first page where it has a blank on the side, and that's in Genesis 16. So it really does have a lot in the margins for girls. I'm going to flip all the way through Genesis so you can see everything in Genesis. Starting to have more blank pages on the margins for girls to do their own designs, but there's still plenty of information in the margin for the girls. Another pretty page. We're still in Genesis. So now we're at Exodus. I'm going to flip through some of it. It's got fun facts at the beginning of the chapter. I'm not going to flip through every single page in this Bible, but I do want to let you see a good bit of what the inside of the Bible looks like. If there are any particular pages that you want to see again, or any particular books that I missed that you want to see, let me know, and I will be sure to come back and do those. It even has kind of some study notes down at the bottom for referencing to other parts of the Bible. We're at Leviticus. It's got key scriptures, fun facts. I'm going to kind of skip ahead a little bit. It's in Numbers, Joshua, 1 Kings, 2 Chronicles, Psalms. Let's look through some of the Psalms. We'll just start right here. So again, we're still having devotionals and pretty pages to color, blank pages for the girls to design their own. We're going to kind of skip on ahead a little bit. This is in Proverbs. I do like that most of these pictures that I have seen are different from the ones that I have in my Bible. Now, I don't think I have a Bible that is from Inspire of my own, so that might be why. A lot of the designs are new and different. I believe when I was reading about the Bible, it said there were 500 plus illustrations to color, and over 75 new designs. So for anybody that does have an Inspire Bible, there are some new ones. Let's go ahead and flip ahead some. Just trying to get to the New Testaments. Okay. So when you go into the New Testaments, it does have a pretty page to introduce the New Testaments. And then Matthew continues just the same way that the Old Testaments was pretty pages. All the information. Has the Lord's Prayer. I really like the variety of devotional, kind of to reflect, blank pages, and designed pages. And then we're at Mark. So I'm going to kind of skip ahead, get to the back of the Bible, and see what kind of additional goodies it has in the back. Okay, so it has an index of the designed scripture verses for the Old Testaments and the New Testaments. It has designed word art, and it has a few more pages back here in the back. So I hope you enjoyed this flip through of the new Inspire Bible for Girls. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks.